Okay, Mark, I have a problem trying to get this assembly done, and I figured it'd be easier to show you rather than try to tell you. I'm using the basic T9 connector and T9 block connectors that we downloaded from the main file. But every time I try to stick this connector in this hole, something weird goes wrong. So let me try to actually make it constrained here. And you can tell me what I'm doing wrong. So I'm just going to try to first of all turn this around. Make this inside corner to right there where it goes. Okay, fine and good so far. Okay, and move it out the way so I can see again. But now if I want to make and go from say this inside part to where it would mate with on the other side of the connector. I'm getting assembly cannot be solved. And I have done this 4 or 5 different ways. I've tried using cancel operation. You get out of the way. I've tried using the outside bits to try to attach it. I've tried connecting straight from that piece to the part where it actually connects to inside there. And that's that base. Everything that I've tried gives me that error, and I have no idea why. I don't know if it is literally not shaped correctly, if I have like an outdated version of the connector, or what, but whatever you can figure out, please tell me.